fault, but I just wanted it to look perfect. In my mind, what perfect is to me, but again, you can use anything you want, but we'll start with the bottom. We're going to go ahead and put that on one side. I get to be Vanna White now. Yes, you do. I'm not as good as Jay. Go like this. You could be a Barker Beauty. And then I just took a wreath and I threw some, just put some ribbon on the back. And we've got a little place here where we can hook it. Like that. My stars dangling.
Just don't use the fireplace while that's in there.
Word of warning. Better than pine cones. And then we're just going to add a little sign to the bottom of it. Right here. Let's see if this sign's going to work. There we go. And just put it right like that. Now, these things, do you want to do this first? Let's do this one first. And we'll put these up later. Because these are going to be difficult. All right. Now, this is one of my favorites. I don't know about you guys, but when my son was little, he made his own toolbox, which I cherish. I mean, it's no big deal. It's just a piece of wood, and he worked really hard on it when he was 5. But I use it for everything. So we had one back there. And I'm not going to dig everything out, but all I did was, and I probably ought to put that, sorry. I did, something always happens when you're live. Yep. So I just added some leaves and threw some gourds and little mini crickets in there. Let's see. So we've got that like that. And what you didn't know about Jason, he's very artistic. He has great ideas. So what we're going to do is we have the leaves coming down, and we can put pumpkins there, just making it look like it's spilled over from the box. Kati, you want to come help? Yeah. We're going to show you what we did with these lights. There's something over on that table. Move the turkey. Alright, now I have a lot of hurricane lamps at home, you know, the ones that just go over the regular pillar candles, which you can use. You can buy these, or you can use the hurricanes, anything you want. So what I did for this, I know, it's just real junky looking, sorry. So what I did was we have these twinkle fairy lights in the back. And we also have like this green stringy stuff here, which some type of beaded garland, which is really pretty. And you'll see what I mean. And somehow I got it all tangled up. But it just comes as a string of garland, and we have quite a few of them. But I took it and I wrapped it in with the lights here, because you've got the wire, and it's wire, so you can twist it any shape you want pretty much. And then these things have a timer. It has 9 settings. There are 4 settings for the timer, and then 4 just for regular. And I like to put it just on the steady on, like this. And then you've got all black on one side, so if you drop that in there, it pretty much camouflages everything, so you can't see it. And I just kind of throw it in there like that. Now this one has a tray. So what I did was we can just put that like there. I took just a pick with some leaves on it, Bent it up really good so it fit in here. Put it like this. Then I just took some ribbon that has a wire in it and just kind of squished it up. Threw it in there on top. And then just added a few little mini pumpkins and gourds in there. And that's pretty much what we got there. So when I did 2 of them. So we could put either one on each end or we could put 2 on one end.
Okay, to be the gadget guy, the nice thing with those lights, and she mentioned the timer, but if you set that timer for 4 or 6 hours, whatever, it comes on every day for that amount of time and then shuts off, and then the next day it comes and turns back on. So once you get it the way you want it, you don't have to fish all that stuff out to turn it on and off, and then your batteries last a really long time because it only runs for 4 or 6 hours or whatever you set it to each day. But I just think it's cool that it keeps doing it every day. You don't have to just keep turning it on.
Tonight I turned these on. I did have them on timer, but I got to thinking, oh, I'll be in trouble if the timer doesn't come back on when everybody's here. So I just turned them on. We'll turn them back on. So and on this, I have a 10-foot string of lights, and then I have 2 of those garlands because I wanted it to be pretty full down here instead of sparse looking. I like lights. And we can't have candles. I don't want to burn the place down. That's my biggest fear. Alrighty. Squish this up, put it in there. And then I think Kati has some other stuff that goes on the mantle as well. I do. I very much do. Sorry, my microphone. Sarah in our gift shop, I don't know if you know her, but she's a gorgeous, tall redhead. She is so excellent at putting together displays and really picking pieces and I've learned a lot from her. One of the things I've learned is groupings of odd numbers and groupings of like 3 or what, things like that are visually very appealing. I'm not inherently a decorator, so working here has been a very educational experience. This is one of my favorite things. He's the cutest thing in the whole world, this little squirrel. And I'm just going to start by putting him up here. Is he not cooperating? Maybe well, there he is. He's pretty friendly. And then this turkey, he's kind of funny. He goes right there. And then you can just finish it up by a little ball decoration there and a little pumpkin here. And you've got a mantlescape.
We invite you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for even more great information.